Hello people, so excited to have you on this space. So today I bring you another interesting hair review video. I've made some reviews of this particular hair I want to talk about, but I am going to show you more collections from this packet hair. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Faith Udeichuku. If this is your first time of coming across my channel, please subscribe to my channel, turn on the notification button because I post interesting videos. For my returning subscribers, thank you so much. You are the reason why I am still on this space. Thank you for the views, the likes, and the share. So this particular packet I'm talking about is Look Hair Africa. I posted a video showing the wig that was made from the deep wave, both the long and short length, and also the Jerry Coil hair bundle for the long and the short one. But in today's video, I'll be showing you other collections, that is the straight and the body wave. So let's get straight into the video. Here you go. This is the straight hair bundle of Look Hair Africa. This is the short length. You have the 10 inches, 12 inches, and 14 inches of this bundle. You can see this bundle is full. You don't even need anybody to tell you. Looking at how it was packaged and arranged is full. Now this is the longer length, and you see that the color is different from that of the short length. The good thing about this hair is it accepts heat. You can straighten this hair and coil this hair under low heat. Please, under low heat, don't use a high heat because it's hair blend. So this is the deep wave hair bundle. This is the short length, the 10 inches, 12 inches, and 14 inches. The deep wave, this is the short length. And this is the long length of the deep wave. The hair is so fine. The volume is so nice. The texture is beautiful. This is the Jerry Coil. The Jerry Coil of Look Hair Africa. This is the short length. You can see, you can imagine the wig that will be made out of these hair bundles. And this is the longer length. If you check a video I uploaded before this one, you will see the wig that was made out of the deep wave, both the long length and the short length, and also this Jerry Coil bundle. So this is the body wave. The body wave of Look Hair Africa. You have the 20 inches, 22 and 24 inches. The length, the volume, the texture, as I said earlier, is something you will like to try. You will like this hair. I hope I've been able to convince you that this packet hair is a packet hair that you have to try. It's a must try because the volume is something that you will like. The length is very good. But the only disadvantage of this hair bond is that it doesn't come with a closure. For all the types, the wavy, the deep wave, the Jerry Coil, the straight, and the body wave, doesn't come with a closure. So you have to ventilate a closure. That is where closure ventilating comes in handy. You have to ventilate a closure for these hair bundles, or you get someone that can ventilate a closure for you. I also have a video on how to ventilate closure. You can check that in my channel. You can just scroll down, you will see about 2 videos on how to ventilate closure. It's beginners friendly. I carried everybody along step by step on how, even if you are a novice, you've not ventilated before, and this is your first time of trying it out, you will know how to place your pin, your ventilating pin, how to place your Swiss how to achieve a perfect closure using different patterns. All you can get that video in my channel. So please you can go and watch that video and make a very good closure for this wonderful packet hair. And the truth is, the good thing about this packet hair is it's not too expensive. For the short lengths, you can get it for from 9,500 to 10,500 or thereabout, depending on the vendor that you are getting the packet hair from. Then from the longer length, you get from 12,000 and above. Also, it depends on the vendor that you are getting it from, and also the place, because you can't compare where the high and mighty is living compared to where the middle person that is managing his or herself is living. You might eat the same packet hair, the same quality, the same quantity, but the price will differ. One, because of the vendor and your location. So thank you for watching. Thank you for always, your views encourages me to do more video. And I will always bring you review of packet hair that I have actually worked with, or a close friend or a colleague has worked with, and then they will give me the review, and I will also see the wig, the hair, and how good it is before. I don't just post any random video. So please, if you are coming across my channel, if you are watching my video, just be rest assured that I am telling you, making a review for you out of experience. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.